back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I have an exciting review for you guys. It is on a shampoo and conditioner. So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching.
Alright, so we are rinsing our hair right now. I actually washed it the first time off camera. So you want to make sure your hair is fully wet, and then we're taking a few pumps of shampoo and then we're massaging that into the scalp, and then you want to work it down to your ends. The bottle does say you want a nice lather, and then you want to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes so it can really work and cleanse the scalp. And then I started trying to do like a little alfalfa. Have y'all used to do that back in the day? Trying to do a little alfalfa with your shampoo in your hair? And then I was like, let me go ahead and get myself a tape up with my little bottle or whatever. So y'all book me at Slim Reshae. That tape up fire though. So then you want to rinse that out your hair. Make sure you got all the shampoo out. And then the next step we're going to do is conditioning the hair. So I'm taking a large amount and conditioning my hair in sections. And then after I detangle each section with the conditioner, I just twist it to keep it in place. And I actually left this in overnight, and then I rinsed it out in the morning.
Okay guys, so this is like literally the second time that I've actually air dried my hair, and it came out looking bomb. Like, my hair looks so good, and I'm loving the shrinkage where it puts it above my shoulders. I feel kind of bobby-ish, like I got a little curly bob or whatever. And then I did diffuse just a little bit after, like, it was over 8 hours and my roots were still a little bit damp, so I diffused there. But other than that, I let my hair air dry. So this is the shampoo from Wild Skin Science. I think the bottle is super cute. I love chocolate decor, chocolate packaging. I just love it. So this is a apple cider vinegar shampoo. It says gentle and natural detox formula for stressed tresses. I don't know what that means, maybe hair or something. And then it says no parabens, sulfates, silicones, and salts. It says made with EcoCert certified ingredients, bioactive hair care, made with 100% natural and raw Himalayan apple cider vinegar, removes buildups, restores, shines, and smoothens. So if you're one of those natural hair gurus and any of that was super important to you, that's what this product offers. I'm a lazy natural. I'm not in the stores looking at like what's in it, all hard and stuff like that. But I was super excited because I love apple cider vinegar for my skin, for my body, all of that. So when they said they had an apple cider vinegar shampoo, I was super excited to try it. It smelled really good. It smelled like Granny Smith apples. It cleansed my scalp really well. My hair and my scalp felt really clean. There were no tingling sensations or anything like that. But my scalp felt really clean and it smelled really good. And so I would have to give this a good positive recommendation. My hair was pretty shiny, so it didn't like strip any of the luster or anything like that. And then moving on to the conditioner, this is what the conditioner looks like, and this is an intensive conditioning for thin, weak, or damaged hair. Organic virgin coconut oil, avocado oil, wheat protein, safe for color treated hair. Again, this is hypoallergenic, no parabens, no sulfates. And I put this in my hair, and it says you can leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse thoroughly, or for an enhanced effect, you can wrap your head in a towel or a shower cap and rinse after 10 to 15 minutes. I don't go by directions usually, so I actually twisted my hair in the twist you saw in the video, and I went to sleep with a shower cap on my head with the conditioner in it. And when I woke up this morning, my hair was super hydrated and everything like that, and all I did was rinse the conditioner out, and that's pretty much what I did. I did style my hair, but that's besides the point. And then also they provided me with this 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer. So I sprayed some of this on my hair. It's a bioactive hair care enhanced with premium botanical extracts and vitamins, 10 hair benefits.
Undoubtedly the camera cut off right there, but overall these products were great. My hair felt really clean and it also felt super smooth and it was very manageable. Thank you Wow Skin Science for sending me these products. Everything can be found in the description box below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, tenfold. Bye guys.